Hello YouTube, it's Micah. It's 2:30 in the morning practically, but I just wanted to say that it's possible that I might disappear for the rest of forever because there is a raging fucking blizzard outside, and that is fucking intense. Yeah, not really sure if anyone's familiar with this, but there's a huge fucking blizzard like storming the entire country. And right now it's here in Chicago, and it's like, yeah, it's intense. It's like raging hard. It's been raging all day, and I had to go out in it earlier, and I was fucking nuts. Like, I go outside and I got like whitewashed for being outside for like 2 seconds. It was fucking nuts. I don't know. Yeah. So, if my YouTube suddenly stops being updated, I must have like been whitewashed to death by this fucking blizzard. Sorry, guys.